Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best garden spades that are most wanted in the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below and also subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Radius Garden Pro Ergonomic Stainless Steel Spade. According to Organic Gardening magazine, the best garden spade for professionals is the Pro Ergonomic Stainless Steel Spade from Radius Garden. This quality tool won editor's choice for a reason. It boasts an O-shaped handle to reduce wrist and hand stress, a reinforced carbon steel shaft, and a durable stainless steel blade for added durability. Its extra-wide forward step also maximizes performance and safety. Pros: designed for performance and safety, solid stainless steel blade, resin-encased steel shaft. Cons: handle carries most of the weight. Number 4, Ashman Spade Shovel. The best garden spade simply isn't functional if it's too heavy, which is why many gardeners prefer a lightweight construction. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, the Ashman Spade Shovel is the perfect option for those requiring a lighter option. This multi-purpose tool boasts a finely sharpened blade, solid D-shaped grip, and durable build that's the perfect combination of strength and convenience. Pros: comfortable two-handed control, sharp, reinforced blade, affordable. Cons: short handle may not work for some users, not ideal for heavy-duty jobs. Number 3, Spearhead Spade Gardening Shovel. Designed to reduce digging efforts by up to 80%, Spearhead's award-winning spade gardening shovel is an easy-to-use tool that doesn't skimp on features. It offers a distinctive spearhead-shaped blade that cuts through dirt and roots with ease. Everyone from landscaping professionals to retirees will benefit from this workhorse of a garden spade. Pros: steel reinforced fiberglass handle is 60% stronger than required manufacturing standards, reduces digging effort by up to 80%, multi-purpose. Cons: some reviewers have reported broken handles. Number 2, Fiskars Steel D-Handle Flat Square Garden Spade. When you need a classic garden spade designed for heavy-duty edging, weed removal, trench cutting, and digging, look no further than the Fiskars Steel D-Handle Flat Square Garden Spade. This solid garden spade boasts an 18-gauge steel shaft, a welded 14-gauge hardened steel blade, and an extra-large D-shaped handle. The sharpened blade also makes cutting through tough dirt a breeze. Pros: affordable price point, lifetime warranty, extra-large grip for two-handed control. Cons: the handle may break away from the shaft under extreme conditions. Number 1, Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Spade. The best garden spade for tackling a wide variety of backyard projects is Roamwild's Multi-Digger Garden Spade. With its arrowhead-shaped blade and 2 sets of grips in the handle design, this spade is great for everything from cutting into roots to heavy shovel work. It even features a lightweight fiberglass construction that's easy to handle and control. Pros: reduces digging efforts by 80%. Unique dual soft grip handle technology, lightweight, covered by the Roamwild warranty. Cons: the soft grip handle can be a difficult adjustment for those used to a D-shaped handle. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.